Hispanics, food is a way to connect with culture. So I'm here to add a little bit of sabor to your day with this shrimp enchiladas with queso fresco. Let's make it together. I'm going to start with the filling of the enchiladas by adding the butter, the garlic. We diced some jalapeno, about 2 tablespoons, and we add it to the garlic and butter. And we add the shrimps. That won't take more than 3 minutes per side, because I love seafood, but also it's a recipe that I made together with the people from Pollo Taco. And we made it for a recipe book called Taste of Miami that we created to raise funds for all these restaurants that were very affected by the pandemic. So that's why I find it so special. Now we're gonna add some cilantro. I'm gonna cut some cilantro. And I'm so glad we get the opportunity to make this recipe together. Even though we're not present, technology allows us to keep connected just like I do with my followers through social media. Not only allows me to keep the connection, but also to grow my community, which nowadays is from all over Latin America. This is shrimp. So we haven't talked about the shrimp that I'm using, which is a 1621 shrimp, peeled and deveined. What that means is that there's 16 to 21 shrimps per pound. We're gonna put this aside and we're gonna go with the sauce. The same pot, we're gonna add the start the sauce by toasting the chile guajillo. So once everything is translucent, we're gonna add back the chiles together with the tomatoes, the vinegar, and the honey. After 10 minutes, we're gonna add the cream. We're gonna add some salt, pepper. We're gonna mix and we're gonna leave there for another 10 minutes. And we take it to the blender. And now we're gonna use one of these glass baking dishes to build our enchiladas. So we're gonna use our warmed up corn tortillas to start building enchiladas, and we fill them up with the shrimp. We add our sauce. We're gonna cover with aluminum foil. And we're gonna put it in the oven at 380 for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we add some queso fresco, and we're gonna put back in for another 5 minutes. Cilantro. Thank you all for joining me today to the spiritual experience. I hope you all enjoy this dish with your family and friends. I hope to see you soon. Buen provecho.